Welcome to Anern.
Thank you for having me, Seven. I have an order to place. Enough to fill 2 containers for Zambian. My clients need dependable solar products. Where should we begin?
No problem, follow me. Our best-selling solar inverters include off-grid, hybrid, and split-phase types. Power range from 2 kW to 10 kW, perfect for African market.
The solar panels look high quality. Can they withstand harsh weather?
Our latest N-type bifacial solar modules. Grade A panel, 22.26% efficiency. TUV certified, 25-year warranty.
Why should I choose lithium batteries?
Lithium is the future. We use brand new battery cells more than 6,000 cycles. Most inverter compatibility. And 5 kWh, 10 kWh, 15 kWh available.
I'm also interested in off-grid systems for homes and businesses. Can you provide those?
Home solar power systems, 4 kW to 10 kW. Commercial energy storage system, 30 kW to megawatt. One-stop solar solution, support customization.
Well, do you even have solar streetlights?
One of our most popular products in Africa. All-in-one design and split-type design. When charged with finite lighting time, smart and powerful.
I'd also know many other solar companies in China. What makes you stand out?
One-stop solution, factory direct supply, control quality, and deliver fast. You can mix and match the products in one order. What's more, 16 years trusted experience. We are your long-term partner.
Wow, amazing that. Can we sign the contract now?
Absolutely, it's all ready for you.